Hello everybody, Jean back with more awesome Mars anomalies, craft and structures captured in Thaumasia Fossae on Mars. The high-rise photograph we'll be analysing is called Gullied Crater and Central Uplift, and as always you'll find the link to this page below. Acquired on the 6th of July 2009 at a lower resolution at 50 centimeters per pixel. Previous videos I was fortunate to find 25 centimeters per pixel, so you'll see the scale indicator on the images has been adjusted accordingly, and I'm showing you pictures cropped from the JP2 and white map projected file, and here's a crop from the low-res JPEG. And to find these anomalies you need to go to 48 degrees 53 minutes south, 89 degrees 37 minutes west, and it's in this area, in this hollowed out circular depression or crater as NASA calls it, and we're analyzing this area of the photograph. So the first anomaly we're looking at is right there, and according to the adjusted scale that is about, I'd say 15 or so meters across. And what we've got is what looks like a type of a delta wing or flying wing craft. Check out the geometry and symmetry in the shape, and right there in the center we've got what looks like what might be a cockpit. So is this a craft or just another one of these strange structures, very metallic looking with well defined edges, or is it maybe a craft? We can only speculate. The next anomaly is right there, but like a circular disc shaped object which is also about 20 meters in diameter, and you can see two rounded sides and a flat edge here as well as there, and then on top we've got three equally spaced knobs or features. Maybe this is a type of a dome craft or structure. Check at the geometry and symmetry in this shape. The other anomaly got this sort of triangular shape to it. We've got more of these other anomalies with knobs or features in their centers. So let's check out this one. This is about 20 meters across and about 20 meters wide. So let's zoom in on this one. We can check two well-defined edges, a rounded corner, almost a right angle over here. Also some design to that shape. This is also one of these strange anomalies that I can't tell if it's a structure or some type of craft or wreckage. That's about 22 meters across. Check out the, it's like a plectrum shape. Could even be a disc which is partially buried. Also looks as if it may have crashed over here with the sand slightly heaped to this one side. And then we've got two lines running along the top in a V shape, and then there what might be a cockpit, or is this a metallic disc-like structure with this right hand side lifted off the Martian surface, like an entranceway perhaps. So more of these megalithic type ruins or blocks. So we're zooming in on these. This is about 20 by 20 meters. It's about 15 meters there. Check out the square shape and this really straight edge over here, and in the center little dome or sphere, and then this object over here looks like the same shape as a lock. This the locking mechanism. So what could this be? Got a hollowed out portion over here, what looks like a hole right there. There's this some type of machine or a structure or an outpost, and then a circular hole to this one side. So some design in that shape. And then we're checking out these anomalies over here, and these are about 10 by 10 meters. Also a metallic looking plate or sheet metal. Don't know what this could be. That looks like a rectangular opening over here, and then a strange pyramidal or cone like part to it on the top over here. You got these straight edges and right angles over here. Another one of these, what looks like a piece of wreckage perhaps. Over there, another one of these disc shapes with a little dome in the center. And an oblong feature running across this one side. But let's check out this piece of what looks like wreckage. And this is about 12 meters across. And there in the center we've got what looks like a hole. Got these straight edges on this piece. It's got a slight convex shape to it as well. Almost as if this could be another one of these hidden openings. Check out this one over here, about 10 meters in diameter. Another one of these disc shapes with a little dome in the center. What looks like two wings on either side. Some symmetry in that shape. And then could this be a part of it? With this one being buried on this side. Like a little winglet or something of a type of a propulsion system on either side. Check out these rather strange anomalies. So that's about 18 meters by 20 meters, and on top of this we've got what looks like two pieces come off the surface and are bent over, almost as if this could be some type of entranceway, maybe a ventilation system. Another one of those. This could be either megalithic or maybe a craft or wreckage. So this is about 12 meters across, and it's parked against this boulder to get the hexagonal shape. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bit of straight edges to this design, and then we've got a dome in the center as well. Another one of these strange looking Millennium Falcon or Baltic Sea anomalies, as shown in my previous video. So So this is about 18 meters in diameter. Got like a disc shape with two V shapes coming off this one side. We've got what looks like a slot in the center going through there. So these are about 12 meters by 12 meters. And right there in the center of this square object, we've got another dome. And this looks like some sort of wreckage, maybe metal plates. Another one of these, what could be either a megalithic slab or a square metal plate. And this is a huge piece. It's about 20 meters across, about 15 meters wide, with straight edges and right angles, highly irregular looking. And then a pile of wreckage there, about 20 meters across. It also looks as if this might have crashed down over here from the right hand side with the sand heaped up on the left. A triangular part to it, and then two pieces at the back here that are totally mangled. Even down here, another one of these little feature or knob in the center of the one side. And this area caught my eye. There's lots of these megalithic blocks or slabs, little features or domes on them, maybe knobs. Check out these rectangular pieces scattered throughout. Looks like a ruined structure. We're zooming in on this part. And this is about 18 by about, let's see, 8 meters across. Rectangular piece with a little hole, very circular hole cut in there. A little pyramidal feature there, and some strange circular features to the right. Check out this piece. A little knob there. Here's another one of those strange machine-like parts. That's what it looks like. We've got a rectangular piece here with a rectangle sort of carved in there and in there as well, like two indentations, and then a rounded piece to the bottom. Another one of these disc shapes, a little dome in the center. Lots of what looks like debris as well. Yeah, so check out that. Let me know what you guys and girls make of it in the comments below, please. Now let's go over to Google Mars, and specifically to where this high-rise photograph is. It's right here. Gullied crater and central uplift. There's some of the anomalies we looked at. And to the right, from my previous video, the Baltic Sea anomaly, Millennium Falcon type object with standing monoliths. So let's quickly check out the topography over here. Get an elevated view. It's in this area here. So crater or circular depression, and the anomalies we looked at were in this region over here. So that's it for this video. Do follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and check out the images at my blog as well. You can find all the original images right there. New subscribers, please remember to turn on notifications, and if you'd like, please subscribe, remembering also to hit the bell. When I upload new videos, you'll receive a notification. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye bye for now.